Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what might just be the best Scrubba wash bag on the market right now. If you're like me and always looking for ways to simplify your cleaning routine without compromising on effectiveness, this one's for you. So, what makes this Scrubba wash bag so special? Let's break it down. First off, this bag is designed with durability in mind. Made from high-quality materials that ensure it can handle even the toughest cleaning jobs, it's built to last. The stitching is sturdy, and the mesh design allows for thorough cleaning without damaging delicate fabrics. Using it is a breeze. Simply place your garments inside, add your detergent of choice, and let the bag work its magic. The mesh is fine enough to prevent snags and tears while still allowing water and soap to flow freely, ensuring a deep clean every time. Now, let's talk features. This bag comes in a variety of sizes to suit different laundry loads, from small delicates to larger items like towels or bedding. The zipper closure is secure and won't snag on other items in the wash. One of the standout benefits is its versatility. Not only does it excel in the laundry room, but it's also great for travel. Use it to keep your suitcase organized or to wash clothes on the go without worrying about finding a local laundromat. So, whether you're looking to streamline your laundry routine at home or need a reliable solution for your next adventure, this Scrubba wash bag gets a solid thumbs up from me. Check out the link in the description for more details and current pricing. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.